Step 1. First take a drawer slider and open it completely. Now lift this black button upwards and separate the small part of the slider. Now slider has two parts in which the bigger part will be fixed on panel number 1 and 3 and the smaller part will be fixed on panel number B. Step 2. Now take panel number 1 and tighten larger part of the slider with the help of 19 mm screw. Make sure the front side of the slider should be aligned to the corner of the panel. Step 3. Take panel number 1 and insert 2 Allen barrels into it. Repeat step 2 and 3 for panel number 3. Step 4. Take panel number 2 and insert 2 wooden dowels in both sides of the panel. Now insert 4 Allen barrels into it. Step 5. Join panel number 1 with panel number 2 and make sure that the rough side of both panels are on the same side. Insert 2 Allen screws in panel number 1 and tighten them with the help of Allen key. Now tighten panel number 3 on opposite side of panel number 2. Step 6. Insert panel number 4 in between both panel number 1 and 3. Now tighten them together with the help of 4 screws. Step 7. Tighten 2 floor protectors on the bottom side of both panel number 1 and 3 with the help of 19 mm screws. Step 8. First insert 2 wooden dowels on top side of both panel number 1 and 3 and then insert 2 minifix barrels in both panel. Step 9. Tighten 4 minifix screws on the top of panel number 5. Step 10. First, carefully attach panel number 5 on top of both panel number 1 and 3. Now tighten all 4 minifix barrels one by one. Step 11. First, by the help of other person, carefully connect panel number 6 with panel number 1 and 3. Then insert 4 Allen screws into panel number 6 and tighten them with the help of Allen key. Step 12. First of all, take panel number A and tighten 4 minifix screws in it. Now take drawer handle and tighten it with the help of handle screw. Step 13. Take panel number B1 and put 2 minifix barrels in it. Now join panel number A and B1 together and tighten both the minifix barrels. Make sure the rough side of the B1 panel is facing down and the side with the minifix barrel is towards the outside of the drawer. Now attach panel B2 to the other side of panel A. Step 14. Insert panel number C in between both panel B and tighten them with the help of 32 mm screw. Make sure that the rough side of all 3 panels should be towards the bottom of the drawer. Now take panel number D and place it on the bottom of the drawer and tighten them together with 32 mm screw. Step 15. Now take small part of the slider that you separated earlier. Attach it to panel number B1 using 19 mm screw. Keep in mind that the front part of the slider is stuck to panel A. Attach the slider on panel B2. Our drawer is completely assembled and can now be put into its place. Step 16. Now carefully install drawer into its position. We have now completed the assembly of dressing table. If you enjoyed your experience, please leaving us a good rating and feedback on Amazon. Thank you for shopping with us. Hope you love the Wood Express dressing table.